Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one very easy recipe which you guys can make it at home for the snack or even in the weekend dinner. So let's start. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Aloo Tikki Chaat which you guys can make it at home. So here I chopped some potatoes and I put it in the pressure cooker and we have to cook this one up to 3 whistles until the potatoes are nicely cooked. So let's start, guys. Hey guys, my potatoes are nicely cooked and can you see, and I use the smasher to smash the potatoes. So what I do, guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add all the masalas powder. So I'm going to make masalas right now, so in front of you. So let's start. So the first thing, I'm going to add some cumin seeds. I'm going to make the powder of all these things, guys. So I added the cumin seeds and it's time to add the fennel seeds, that is saunf. So I'm adding a little bit of saunf and I'm going to crush all these things together. Hey guys, here my fresh powder, masala powder is ready, and I'm going to, you can use the blender also, but in this one it gives the nice taste for the tikki. And I'm going to add some masala powder into this. So you can add 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to add some ginger powder. And it's time to add some salt and chili powder, that is how much salt you want and how much chili powder you want in your tikki. So I added some chili powder, that is up to your taste how much chili you want in your tikki. And it's time to add some salt. I'm going to add 2 types of salt. One, this one, the another one is the kala namak, the black salt. It gives the nice taste in the tikki. And we have to mix all these things together, guys. So we added all the masala powder and I mixed that one with the potatoes, and it's time to add some corn flour. Why we are adding this one? Because when we are frying this tikki, it won't split in the oil. That's why we are adding the corn flour, and we have to mix this one. So you can use your hand, guys, it's easy. In Delhi, near to my mom's place in Noida, there was one tikki wala. He used to make tikki very nice, guys, and every night we used to go there and we'll have tikki and pani puri. Yummy. So you have to mix this one. So my potato dough is ready to make tikki. So let's start, guys. Today I'm going to show you 2 types of tikki. One is I'm going to fry it in the oil. Another one I'm going to shallow fry in the pan. So here I put some oil in the kadai, and here is the dosa pan, guys. I'm going to make this tikki in this one. This is the stone one, so it gives a nice taste. So let's start. Hey guys, take a small ball and you have to press like this so that it will come into the tikki shape. So I prepared all the tikkis here guys, and I'm going to fry this one. So we have to fry until the tikki becomes brown and crisp. So I'm going to fry two, and I'm going to make two tikkis in this tawa. So I'm going to add some oil. And you have to keep this one here. Okay guys, here my tikkis are cooking in the frying pan, and I added oil. So we have to wait until it becomes brown in color. Hey guys, can you see the color of the tikki? Hey guys, it's time to remove from the tawa, and I'm going to put it in this so I will show you guys, because though we are making the chaat, so this is ready, and it's time to make the it's time to add some tamarind chutney, the raw onion, and some green chutney. So if you are making you can make the green chutney at your home also, but I'm going to use that shop one. So I'm going to add all these things, and yeah. Hey guys, I added some chopped onion into this, and I'm going to add the tamarind chutney. So it's time to add some meeta chutney. So I have to see guys, sorry. I added some meeta chutney guys, and it's time to add this green chutney, little bit of green chutney. And it's time to add the yogurt on the top, dahi. I added some dahi guys, and it's time to sprinkle some kala namak, some chaat masala. So my tikki is ready guys, and I'm going to have this bite, the crisp one. Can you see? It's very tasty actually. So I'm going to try this one. So this is a quick video of how to make aloo tikki chaat at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this one, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye.